I am an actress, singer, and do I dare say comedian? Yes, I dare, I dare, I dare. And I create content as well, and I love making videos that I hope are funny. I think as a singer, I've always loved creating music, and I just wanted to be able to have the tools and skills to do that on my own. And I also do like creating some comedic songs. And instead of using like some sample track that I can get, online, I was thinking, well, it'd be kind of cool to create my own. I'm a very overly ambitious person and I overthink things and I like to overcomplicate things. And this course helped me hone in on simplicity. And it was also because I didn't have time because I was juggling so many projects at the same time. And I got an Ableton Lite version, which means I could only use 6 tracks. And Rupak suggested that, hey, maybe, use that as a challenge. So that actually was really transformational for me because usually I'm like, oh no, I need to do this, I need to add this, but I had these limitations. And that actually proved to be really fun and creative as well. I would totally recommend this course to people because if you're very intimidated by the technical side of music production, this course is amazing because of the way that it is categorized and then subcategorized, and all the information is distilled into bite-sized pieces. So you've got 10 minutes, of a video to watch, and or a 15-minute video to watch, and that really helps with just focusing on one thing at a time, so it's less intimidating. And the community is also really supportive because you've got all these people learning at the same time, and also everyone's just excited to help each other out and to do it together as well. And there's just so much support with questions that you might have. You can ask any question you want, and the answer will always be readily available to you. So, yeah, I think this course is really, really cool and fun to do.
There's so many cool visuals here. How do you make these?
If I feel really strongly about a visual, I just go for it. And usually words come into my mind. So, like for example, like these penguins, I got them from because I wrote the word clumsy, and it's all by feel. I can't teach a course on this because it's all by feel.